Hi there. Welcome to Office Procedures and Technologies. I'm Nancy Backlund. I am your instructor in this course. Just want to introduce myself, say hello, and just give you a few pointers for this course. This course is designed as an introduction to a lot of technology that is used in the office. So it's not your typical textbook-driven assignment course. You're going to need to follow the modules carefully because there'll be additional instructions on pages and then assignments that are due. For instance, this week you fill out a couple of surveys providing information for me. You create a Google account if you don't already have one, and you write maybe your first blog post. So with that said, you're going to jump into the welcome module by clicking the button below this video. Read through those pages and complete those assignments in the welcome module so that the week 1 module will open. And that's where you'll get all those instructions regarding the surveys and the Google information. Discussion and teamwork is a part of this class, as well as participation, and we'll be introducing more about that in future weeks. If you have any questions regarding the class, please use the navigation button there on your left to send me an email through the inbox tool, and I will get back with you. You will also see a virtual office link given there, and feel free to use that to connect with me during my Monday and Thursday office hours. You can also use it during other hours, and I'll get email notification. If I'm online, I will join you. So, any questions, use that email link. Otherwise, I wish you a great start to the semester. I look forward to having you in class.